2 years ago, we purchased a hurricane-damaged boat with the dream of sailing her around the world. Together with our kids, we've been learning, laughing, and working to make this dream come true. This is the story of our adventures on a sailboat named Spoondrifter.
I don't know what time it is.
What time it is? Our clock is wrong. It's 9 o'clock. So the question is, do we want breakfast?
I don't know if there's any good stuff in the town left or not.
Food. We need to find food. It looks like we're out of luck.
Started thinking, if it's just love in every glass I'm drinking, we're like one and without you I'm sinking. I'm always shining next to you. Oh, I got you, there's no reason to chasing pavement on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night and day. I'm delighted 'cause I got you. I have always been afraid of changes, but you show me life is full of faces. Sometimes
Food. Even if it's not a restaurant, huh?
Oh, up there.
Is this the breakfast of champions or is this the breakfast of fans from the stadium? Watching the champions.
on my own, 'cause you're here to stay every night.
A podcast about sailing, cruising, and everything else in between. Welcome to Sailing with the Listeners podcast. Sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Do you like podcasts? We love listening to them in the car. And we like them so much, we decided to start one. So if you would like to listen, we're on episode 2 over on our Patreon. Let's get back to listening to this.
And that's what we're talking about today is, since you can't go anywhere, where you should sail in the United States.
Yeah, so
Way before pouring like a
Alright, who needs their mask? This one, Gabe's?
Does Gabe need one or is she coming in?
Gabe needs to go potty.
Abigail.
Abigail, take your mask.
We're not young, but we're so free and running. And this day has never kept us bound. Every day we dance and life's been smiling.
We're headed back to the boat.
Back to the boat after a long holiday. You know, it's strange how, you know, you miss family and everything, but man, sometimes it's a long time.
No, we don't go there. It's been 2 weeks for Christmas.
Nearly 2 weeks, and we gotta get back to the boat and get some work done.
Yep.
Because we're almost ready to put up the mast.
Why are you talking like that?
Because we are. We're almost ready to put up the mast. It's like,
okay.
I mean, we're like holding our breath, waiting for this to happen.
I
I know
know.
everybody's holding their breath, waiting for this to happen.
I think they're wanting to know when we're going back in the water.
Well, they do want to know that. So do we.
So do we.
So do we.
Comes to take me to.
It's a weird smell.
The cat pee smell? I don't know.
It smells like sulfur.
You think it smells like sulfur? I think it smells like cat pee or like power steering leaking.
Okay, could be the oil wells.
Could be.
So, what are you going to do?
I'm gonna wait till all the cars pass so I don't die opening the door. And I'm gonna check and make sure my bottle of power steering fluid hasn't sprung a leak and is leaking all over the front of the engine, blowing back into the car because it smells like something.
So,
There's a little bit of a leak in the jar, but I don't know that that's what the smell is. But I tightened the cap and moved it.
How much longer?
How much longer?
I need to potty.
You have to go potty?
Alright, there's no bathrooms anywhere. Whoa, what are you doing?
Slowing down. You want me to run into the back of everybody? I don't think you would appreciate that.
We've been listening to audiobooks, and we have been listening to podcasts, and we have been talking to one another, and we're running out of things to do on this 1,500-mile trip.
Speak for yourself. I'm driving. There are lots to do.
So, what are your favorite podcasts? Tell us in the comments. You know where the comments are, right? Like, you go find the link in the description below, and it takes you to a place where you can leave a comment. Tell us what your favorite podcasts are. But I guess I need to start looking and see if I can find something else to listen to, because we've still got how many hours?
7 hours and 3 minutes.
Watch out, don't let her out.